Hello friends, welcome back to SmartKin review channel. Today's video is about 10 best treadmills for home use. So here's the list. Number 10. Powermax Fitness TDM 125S. This is a smart run function auto lubrication motorized treadmill. Max user weight is 115 kg. Approx price rupees 37,990. Number 9. Durafit 001 Strong Motorized Foldable Treadmill. Running area of this treadmill is 15 to 18 inches. Max user weight is 120 kg. Approx price rupees 27,999. Number 8. Cockatoo TTM 05 Motorized Multifunctional Treadmill. The technical features are time, speed, distance, calories, pulses, fat measures. Approx price rupees 16,490. Number 7. Fitkit 100 series Motorized treadmill with manual function. Approx price rupees 26,999. Number 6. Healthgenie 3911M Lightweight Foldable Motorized Treadmill. LED displays shows time, distance, speed, calories burned, heart rate, and it comes with 12 preset programs. Approx price rupees 18,300. Number 5. Powermax Fitness MFT 410 4-in-1 Multifunctional Manual Treadmill. 4-in-1 jogger, stepper, twister and push-up bar. Approx price rupees 13,490. Number 4. Fitkit FT098 Motorized Treadmill. 12 preset workout programs for efficient workout and changeable modes. Approx price rupees 17,450. Number 3. Lifeline 4-in-1 Deluxe Manual Treadmill. Foldable, portable, non-motorized treadmill machine for home use. Approx price rupees 9,975. Number 2. Fitkit FT200 series Motorized treadmill with auto lubrication and auto inclination. This treadmill can accommodate any user from beginners to professional, from walkers to runners. Approx price rupees 33,990. Number 1. Powermax Fitness DTM 98 Lightweight Foldable Motorized Treadmill for cardio workout at home. It has 12 preset workout programs for efficient workout and 3 target based modes. Approx price rupees 17,990. So friends, these are the top 10 best selling treadmills in India. Hope you like this video. Also check description box for more information and recommended products. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.